how to use more than 3 indicators in TradingView. That's a topic for discussion today. This is the most requested item in our channel, and I'm happy to present this episode. Before we get started with the today's session, Market Secrets is proud to announce that we have recently started algo trading using Python. So if you are someone who is interested in passive algo trading, then you can check out our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's get into today's session. So when it comes to TradingView, we all know that we can add at the maximum of 3 indicators. For example, right, I'm adding a moving average indicator here. Moving average. So if I start adding the indicators, right, you'll start seeing it here. At the maximum, I can add 3 indicators. For example, right, 3 different moving averages. But that is a max I can do. So there's a limit here. So you can't add more than 3. So here you're seeing just 1 because all 3 are having the same values. So I'm just going to update it. And sorry, went beyond. So that's it. Now you're seeing 3 indicators, and there is no other way you can add the 4th indicator at this point. Okay, so ignore these charts. This is for a different purpose. You can ignore it. Okay, so this is the max you can do. So how to add 4th moving average? For example, if I want 20 moving average now, how do I add it? Okay, so you can't at this point. So there is a workaround to do that. So I'm just removing these two, codes, and I'm going to this particular section, and I'm going for the source code. So this will give you the source code for moving average indicator. So there are a few parameters to smoothen your indicator. So I'm removing all those. Those are all not necessary for this particular episode. And I'm also removing the different types of moving averages, that is exponential or simple, weighted moving average, volume weighted. So all of this I'm actually removing. So I'm actually not able to remove because this is a read-only script. So I'm going to create a working copy. So in that working copy, I'm removing these unnecessary scripts. So this is the base script. This would form a proper moving average without too many parameters. So I'm just going to add it to the chart. So if you want to add it to the chart, you can just click here. So you'll be able to see the moving average indicator here. So I'm going to first rename it 5 moving averages as my indicator name. 5 moving averages. So that's my indicator name. So now what I should do is like I need to create multiple parameters here. So currently I have only 9 moving average. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another moving average which is 20 moving average. So I'm renaming it as instead of len, I'm giving just len1. So wherever len1 is applicable, you have to give len1 as well. And the source and offset are going to be constant, so we don't need it. So I'm just removing it. So the length is used by this out parameter. So I'm going to rename this out as well, and I'm going to plot this out. So what I did is I created another indicator, another moving average here actually. So let me remove the current plotted diagram, and I'm going to add to chart once again. If I do that, now I'm seeing 2 different moving averages. Likewise, what you can do is you can copy and paste the code multiple times. So now I'm going with 25, I'm going with 50, and I'm going with 200. So you can't use the same parameter names multiple times. So I'm going to just rename it all. So that's 4, that's 4, that's 4, and it's 3, it's 3, it's 3, it's 3, it's 2, it's 2, and 2, and 10. That's it. So let me remove this once again and add it to chart again. You could see 5 moving averages now. As simple as that. So it's not a complicated thing to do. Just have to go into the code and modify it a bit. Then you will get whatever that you want. Now you are seeing five moving averages in a simple chart, and you have just added one indicator. If you want to add another indicator, you can go to this thing again, and just can add another indicator. So likewise, you can take few indicators and work on it and merge it into a common indicator. That way, you can actually have more than three indicators in the trading view. So hope this session was useful. If you have any queries, comments or feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.